Okay, so my coffee machine has broken down and I could not fix it. And so I had to throw it out, and I've been very lazy not going to buy a new one. So I had to find a way to make coffee at home. So what I did is I have 1 cup, I have a little pot, and I have my coffee, and I have a little plastic container and a strainer and 2 coffee filters. So I take 2 cups of water and I boil it. I take 2 of my favorite cups and I take 2 cups of water and then I boil it. Okay, so the water is boiling right now, and since I took 2 cups, I like strong coffee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, well, a little bit more, since I like it strong. And then we can just sit and wait for the coffee to boil. And my little son is here also, very helpful. Hey Dylan. Hey. Very helpful. So let's just wait for the water to boil. Okay, so the coffee is, or the water I mean, is boiled. So now I just take this in here. And it will taste as good as if you did it in a coffee machine. Have to wait a little bit till the water goes down. You can see here the coffee is brewing. Okay, let's put the rest. And like I said before, I put 2 cups of my favorite mug or cup of water, because I'll drink like maybe 2 cups a day. 2 cups of water, 2 cups of coffee a day. There we go. Now we just have to wait till the coffee goes down. Okay, so the coffee is done. So there's a little bit left. Okay, so I put it over there. And then I scoop some coffee in my cup. And you have perfect coffee. It tastes just like if you did it in a coffee machine. Enjoy!